You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Figure. It's a bootleg figure from Dragon Ball Z. And yeah, I picked this one up and I just wanted to show you what are we going to get with these knockoff figures. Again, my box is totally bossed up. This is one of the two figures you need to buy. This is more like a diorama. And yeah, we'll pick this one up maybe, if I'm getting one. And what are we going to get? Because there is nothing inside this box. And this is what we are going to get. The figure is inside this little plastic packaging. For the people who love the sound. Right. One thing is for sure, it feels quite heavy. So it's not hollow, it's a real massive PVC statue. I really love it. No, it doesn't stand this way. Let's unpack this little base. Do I need a scissor? No, I don't need a scissor. And we have some decals here at the bottom. Alright. Alright, let's try to fit it on. Because this can be a pain in the ass. Yep, and all those figures having the same problem. Alright, I finally put it together. This one fitted quite well. Yeah, a little bit of bending the legs, but in overall, not bad at all. So this is the final result. This is what we're going to get. And I'm going to give you a little tour and a little close-up view. So what you can see here, it looks pretty damn amazing. They did a great job with the paint job, the facial expression. So let's take a close look at this side of the figure. What you can see here, even at the back, the paint job is really nice. We're going to give you a slight overview. What are we going to get? And even the boots look really cool. Very nice. And I wanted to show you this and these little issues you're going to get with a cheap knockoff. As you can see here, we have a little residue of the mold. And yeah, it's a little bit of a bummer, but for the money, we can't complain. So people, for the final conclusion about the Goku bootleg figure. It looks really amazing. For the money what we are paying for, it's not bad at all. So this is what we are going to get for the money. I will try to find an original one and do a little bit side-by-side comparison so we can see what are we going to get and what are the biggest differences. So for now, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell for upcoming videos, and see you next time. Bye bye.